Hello guys, this is Al from my server cloud and welcome to this small video that I'm gonna share with you. Many would know that Proxmox just released the alpha release for Proxmox Datacenter Manager, not to be confused with the VE virtual environment, this one here. So today I'm going to show you how a little bit around the UI, this new data center manager, and I have installed it on my VE Proxmox on my machine, as you can see here. This has been installed as a VM. I chose 3 CPU, 6 gig RAM, 32 gig on boot disk size. Again, this is just for us to, let's say, play with it and see what is capable. Again, this is not for actual use. This is still on alpha. This is not even better. So, technically just, play with it. Don't actually use it. But anyway, I'm going to show you a little bit around how I installed it, and we're going to look at a little bit, okay, into it. It's going to be a short video, and that's it. I'm going to tell you where to download it. All right, as well. So yeah, okay, let's go and start. As you know, Proxmox.com, where you can find all your downloads, you can find the virtual environment, the backup server, and the mail gateway. Of course, you can find other stuff as well, and whatever you need. For this particular one, you got to go to the wiki. Again, in the description below, you will find all the links. This is where you can find the Proxmox Datacenter Manager roadmap, where you can actually look at the overview, the roadmap, and more information about it. Here you can find the ISO download link and the forum information. Okay, when you click this one, you get to go on this page. Now the actual file is here, as you can see, alpha 1. Or alpha 1 really 0.1 ISO. What I done here, I copied the link address. This is all I done for this particular page. On here, I went on local ISO and I upload a file. But this time I done it from download from URL. All you want to do is just paste, query, and then press download. And once it's done, you will find the download here. All right. Now to create the VM, all right, what I've done, again, to serve one in this case is my node. I create a VM and name it whatever you want. Resource pool. Next. Make sure it's where you got the file. In this case, I got in local. I'm going to get Proxmox, and technically what I done is next. I left the 32 as you would see it before. I changed that from 1 to 3. The memory is 6 gig, and then next, and then confirm. Okay, once you confirm, you'll be greeted with the VM done, and all you got to do is just press start and follow the instruction for the installation. The installation didn't take long. I think it took about 4 or 5 minutes, and it's very straightforward. There's not much really you need to do. Just type your password you want. The login will be root, and that's it. After that, they will give you the once you log in, you will get the information here, technically the IP and the port. Okay, so this is what you get when you start. All right, wrong link. Anyway, I meant to press this one. So that's what you get. Logically, you won't get this, right? This is the actual which containers or VM are running. This is the actual node itself. In this case, it will be server 001, right? And anyway, this is what you get. This is automatically done anyway. So to get access to the node itself, You press on the node or on the remotes, and here you can find all the information about the actual node. It's very simple to access. Just in case you don't have that open, you just click on Open Web UI and you get straight to the UI, okay? Now, I want to make sure you understand it. When you go to the dashboard and you want to add, you can add in multiple ways, yeah? If I go, press add, you can actually add the nodes. What I'm going to do in a second, I'm going to remove this one here and I'm going to put it again for you, okay? So, again, you can click on remote and add the Proxmox VE, or you can go on the dashboard and you click add remote, yeah? It's the same thing. So let's go here and let's press this one and I'm going to remove. Now, as you can see here, the authorization ID really, if you can see, is 001. Now, if I can see that if you actually use it, the same number or the same ID, you might have issue in connecting, okay? So let's remove it for now. Also, if you're running like I did, if I go to data center and I go to two-factor authentication, as you can see, is not enabled. I had that enabled. If you have enabled, you won't be able to access, okay? You need to disable that. The simple way to do it is to create an API token, all right? So you can create a new API token just and exclusively for the data center, and I think that is the correct way to do it. So anyway, let's go and add the Proxmox VE. I'm going to add the IP and the port. You can actually copy this one here. That must be included with the ports, okay? I'm going to press that and I paste it. Now for the fingerprints, there's a lot of ways you can do it. Let me show you the easy way. All right, if you go to serve 001 and you go under certificate, you go the PVE SSL PEM, double click, and here you can find your fingerprint, okay? There is another way to do it via terminal, okay? But this is quite straightforward. We go back here and we are going to paste it, okay? Let me do a Control V. I think I pressed it too long. Just a second. And we're going to press connect. It should be okay to go. Next. Settings. Now is the IP that I showed you about, okay? Now what I'm going to do is you can call it anything you want. I'm going to call it like my PVE. In this case, I'm going to call it serve 001 serve, so I know what it is. As you can see, you can actually log in or create a token, or you can use an existing token. All right, let's do it with this one here. Right, and the password for that particular PVA. Okay, in this case for this particular one. All right. So now I'm going to add the password. The realm is PAM. Now on the other one, I done 001 again. Let me do 001, but I had a problem to connect last time, so I'm going to scan it and see if it gives me the same error. It looks is okay. So okay, I'm going to leave it. I don't know why. Maybe because I was playing around with it multiple times. But yeah, I'm putting exactly the same thing. You can actually choose whatever you want, really. Scan, and I'm going to do next. I'll say no. This is the fingerprints for that. Again, if we go back, double click, is exactly the same. Yes. So go back here and we go to next. But we got to look the summary, and when we finish, just click on finish. Now again, the token again, we got the same. I had this error before. Let me explain to you. I had this is the problem, all right? But I had that error on this page. No, it gave me on the summary. I don't know why, but anyway. Endpoints finish, and as you can see, 002, and I resolved the problem. Now, if I go to dashboard again, and you can see exactly as it was before. Discard the subscription subscription status also is here the same problem. Logically, I'm not paying for this is, for the enterprise. I'm not paying for that. We do pay for the enterprise, but not for, this is just the demo really. So this is a demo server. We don't do that. We use the normal version for the I can't remember now how's it called, this one, but the community edition technically. All right, so yeah, so everything looks okay. Okay, let's go to remote again, and as you can see now I can still access and again the subscription status for the PV, as you can see, is also not not the one paid for. Technically it's not the enterprise version, I should say. So yeah, that's it. This is how simple it is to install it. Again, guys, this is alpha. The version is 0.1.7. Do not use this for for a proper management of your server. Again, do it at your own risk. I hope you enjoyed it for this little video. This is what we do on a daily basis. We always try to find new way to manage a server, especially for clientele. My server cloud, they do it. So logically, I only create this video for them. They own as you will know, if you've been following me for a while, you will know this is not my channel anymore, but I'm still making content for them. So guys, thank you so much for joining us. Subscribe if you like this video for more videos, and don't forget, like and share if you want to. And again, I'll hope you had a beautiful Christmas and a new year, and I'll see you next time for a new video.